Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. In today's video, I have a vocabulary video for Christmas. And the way it's going to work is I will say the Spanish word, the English word, the Spanish again, which is your turn to practice. And then we will go over them one more time, but this time I will only say the Spanish word for each one, which is again your time to practice and learn with me. So I'll see you at the end of the video.
Festividad. A holiday. Festividad. Árbol de Navidad. A Christmas tree. Árbol de Navidad. Estrella. Star. Estrella. Guirnalda. A garland. Guirnalda. Luces navideñas. Christmas lights. Luces navideñas. Adornos. Ornaments. Adornos. Bolas de Navidad. Christmas bubbles. Bolas de Navidad. Campanas. Bells. Campanas. Muérdago. A mistletoe. Muérdago. Calcetín navideño. Christmas stocking. Calcetín navideño. Nieve. Snow. Nieve. Copos de nieve. Snowflakes. Copos de nieve. Cintas decorativas. Decorative ribbons. Cintas decorativas. Velas. Candles. Velas. Ángeles. Angels. Ángeles. Papá Noel. Santa Claus or Father Christmas. Papá Noel. Pesebre. A nativity scene. Pesebre. Trineo. Slate. Trineo. Renos. Reindeers. Renos. Regalos. Presents. Regalos. Belén. Another nativity scene, usually with all the animals and everything in it. Belén. Reyes Magos. The three wise men. Reyes Magos. Pandereta. Tambourine. Pandereta. Zambomba is a traditional Spanish friction drum thing for Christmas and the Christmas songs. Zambomba. Cava, sparkling wine from Spain. Cava. Villancico, Christmas carol. Villancico. Turrón is a traditional Spanish Christmas sweet, and it can be like chocolate or almonds. There's different styles. I personally prefer the chocolate and rice one. I don't really like the other ones, but each to their own. Something that you need to try. Turrón. Pavo, turkey. Pavo. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Árbol de Navidad. Estrella. Guirnalda. Luces navideñas. Adornos. Bolas de Navidad. Campanas. Muérdago. Calcetín navideño. Nieve. Copos de nieve. Cintas decorativas. Velas. Ángeles. Papá Noel. Pesebre. Trineo. Renos. Regalos. Belén. Reyes Magos. Pandereta. Zambomba. Cava. Turrón. Pavo. Feliz Navidad.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you knew all the words or if there's new words in your vocabulary. And if you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe because it means the world to me. And as always, I accept suggestions of any kind of videos that you would like me to make. And nos vemos en el próximo video. Adiós!